1. Which country is known as the land of rising sun? A. India. B. Japan. C. China. D. Australia. The correct answer is B. Japan. 2. What is the shape of a stop sign? A. Circle. B. Triangle. C. Square. D. Octagon. The correct answer is D. Octagon. 3. Which sea creature has 8 legs? A. Octopus. B. Starfish. C. Crab. D. Whale. The correct answer is A. Octopus. 4. Which is the largest continent? A. Asia. B. Africa. C. Europe. D. Antarctica. The correct answer is A. Asia. 5. Which is a musical instrument? A. Hammer. B. Flute. C. Ruler. D. Spade. The correct answer is B. Flute. 6. Which animal lives in water? A. Cow. B. Cat. C. Dolphin. D. Dog. The correct answer is C. Dolphin. 7. What does a clock tell us? A. Distance. B. Time. C. Height. D. Weight. The correct answer is B. Time. 8. Which planet is closest to the Sun? A. Earth. B. Mars. C. Mercury. D. Venus. The correct answer is C. Mercury. 9. Which planet is known as the blue planet? A. Mars. B. Earth. C. Neptune. D. Venus. The correct answer is B. Earth. 10. Which planet is farthest from the Sun? A. Earth. B. Mars. C. Uranus. D. Neptune. The correct answer is D. Neptune. 11. Who wrote Panchatantra? A. Kalidasa. B. Vishnu Sharma. C. Chanakya. D. Tulsida. The correct answer is B. Vishnu Sharma. 12. Which bird lays the largest egg? A. Duck. B. Ostrich. C. Eagle. D. Swan. The correct answer is B. Ostrich. 13. How many colors are in a rainbow? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. The correct answer is C. 7. 14. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the U.S.? A. France. B. England. C. Italy. D. Germany. The correct answer is A. France. 15. Who was the first man on the moon? A. Yuri Gagarin. B. Neil Armstrong. C. Buzz Aldrin. D. Michael Collins. The correct answer is B. Neil Armstrong. 16. Which shape has three sides? A. Circle. B. Square. C. Triangle. D. Rectangle. The correct answer is C. Triangle. 17. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? A. Camel. B. Horse. C. Elephant. D. Donkey. The correct answer is A. Camel. 18. What is the capital of Japan? A. Tokyo. B. Osaka. C. Kyoto. D. Hiroshima. The correct answer is A. Tokyo. 19. What do cows eat? A. Grass. B. Meat. C. Leaves. D. Fish. The correct answer is A. Grass. 20. Which part of the plant is underground? A. Root. B. Stem. C. Leaf. D. Flower. The correct answer is A. Root.